Hi folks, and welcome to episode 2 of the Transmission Saga. In this episode we'll be replacing this badly pitted, if it won't focus, and it won't focus. Come on, phone, there you go. Badly pitted differential bearing with a new one. For that I had to go spend $27 at Harbor Freight and get the large bearing separator. Probably should have opened it before filming a video. Anyway, and there we go. Unfortunately, put the phone down. And that's what it looks like. It looks like it's got way too large a bolt hole to go with my bearing separator set. So if you hold on for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and get some other stuff together here. I'll be right back. Okay, now you can kind of see the idea with how you rig this. You squeeze that bearing using our bolts. And the separator plate will wedge itself, in theory, under that bearing. And then what you normally do is thread in something that looks like this, only a little shorter, and that will, you put a piece in the center, and that allows you to push the bearing off, and that's how you get these off. Now this is not a cheap setup here, unfortunately. This is starting to get into the more specialist tools you need to do homebrew transmission overhauls, as well as some fairly large wrenches. Well, that one looks like it's maybe 3/4. No, not 3/4. 7/8. Nope. Looks bigger than 7/8. 15/16. There we go. And pause for me to rig. Alright, we're back, and here is my questionable job of rigging. Using a 2-draw puller, pulling on the inside bolts. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I really don't. I've never tried it this way before. Let's see. Should be 3/4. And of course it's not, well, it's 11/16. Okay. Now, try to figure out a way to film this and there we go. That's better. Now, whether or not this kills me or just pulls the bearing off, I don't know. In the center here, by the way, that is a seal driver. Arbor. Yeah, there we go. We've ripped the bearing to pieces because it's made of plastic. There we go. Well, at least something came apart. Go Germany and plastic bearings. Stronger than the finest Chinesium. Oh yeah, that's a basher bearing. Right there, there's no way to grip that. And that was a fail. Hopefully I don't now have to take the differential apart because I just... Oh, yes I will. Yep, differential's got to come apart now. Which is just as well because of what I'm going to have to do to get this bearing off. However, it does give us an interesting little snapshot into what went on with this bearing. Look at that inner race. That is garbage. Go, go, German engineering. Yeah, look at it. Now, this part's just fine, but whoever in Germany, and it is marked that it's a German bearing, made this bearing. I don't have the, you know, that's just inexcusable quality control right there. And that is why these bearings fail. This is a known failure point for these transmissions. And while I am not a transmission expert, I'm a former pizza delivery driver who does their own stunts. Yeah, anybody could see that rough surface inner race on that bearing is just garbage. And that explains completely why they fail. That, and here's one of the rollers. Look at that crap. Look at that. Look at how poorly made this stuff is. I get stuff out of China that's made better than this German shit. But anyway, obviously this is not getting solved right at this moment. So hope you enjoyed this episode, and I may film another one tonight. I may not. I'm going to have to regroup on exactly how I want to tackle this. Have a good evening. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm sure you have plenty of comments to put below. Thank you.